BJ's Wholesale Club is your one-stop shop for the holidays. They have everything you need, from seasonal decor to the hottest toys, fresh foods, apparel, small appliances, you name it, they have it to make your celebrations just that much better this year. You can shop in club, you could shop online, you could pick up in club, you could do curbside pickup. They have same-day delivery of your groceries, so you could have your full meal for the holidays delivered to your front door in as little as 2 hours. They also have Express Pay right through the BJ's app. You can scan your items as you go and bypass the checkout line. And they also have a great flexible and convenient payment option, especially right now for the holidays, called Buy Now, Pay Later on purchases over $99. As we're prepping for our meals, you can save up to 25% off grocery store prices when you're shopping at BJ's. And they also have 2 exclusive brands, Wholesale Farms and Berkley Jensen, which you're getting tremendous value and you're never skimping on the qualities. They have their exclusive top 10 toys for the holidays, which are always fun to check out. They also have gorgeous home decor for the season, so you're looking for trees, wreaths, inflatables. They have shatterproof ornaments, which are great for little kids and also pets. They have pet toys as well. They have gift baskets. Again, anything you need for anybody on your list, they're gonna have it. Small appliances and apparel, which is always so much fun during the holidays to dress in that festive spirit. And then we're talking the fresh food in front of me. This is such a gorgeous spread. Get everything from the appetizers to the main dishes to the desserts and even the spirits. So again, that one-stop shop for the holidays is at BJ's Wholesale Club. You can head to bjs.com for more information or any BJ's Wholesale Club near you.